In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Sales Hub. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to manage your sales work, find your most important tools, and move faster every day. Start by logging into HubSpot. Once you're in, turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This is your main navigation. Hover your cursor over Sales Hub to reveal everything available to you. If the menu doesn't expand on hover, a quick click will open it. From here, you can enter the sales workspace and jump straight into the tools you'll use most. Let's begin with the sales workspace. Think of this as your home base for daily selling. It's designed to bring your sales activity into one place so you can quickly see what needs your attention. You'll find shortcuts to your key tasks, upcoming meetings, and recent activity. If you're just getting started each morning, the sales workspace gives you a clean, prioritized view so you can decide what to tackle first without hunting through multiple screens. Next, explore target accounts. This area is all about focus. It helps you zero in on the companies that matter most to your pipeline. Use it to keep an eye on engagement, track progress with high-value accounts, and make sure you're concentrating effort where it counts. A helpful tip here is to keep your target list deliberate and regularly reviewed so your time stays aligned with real opportunities. Head over to Forecast when you want a clear picture of where the team stands. Forecast provides visibility into expected revenue and how deals are tracking across stages. It's especially useful for planning and setting expectations. Accuracy here depends on keeping deal information up to date, so consistent data hygiene pays off. Prospecting, including the prospecting agent, is where outreach and follow-up come together. This is your command center for calls, emails, and task management. The prospecting agent can help you prioritize next steps so nothing slips through the cracks. Consider blocking time on your calendar to work from this view. It helps you stay focused and move through your day efficiently. Documents provides a central library for your sales collateral. Store and share pitch decks, one-pagers, and proposals, and track engagement to see what resonates. Clear file names and organized folders make this faster for everyone. Finally, the meeting scheduler lets you share availability and book time without back-and-forth emails. Set preferences like buffer times and working hours so your calendar stays manageable. That's it. Log in, hover over Sales Hub on the left, and you'll have the sales workspace, target accounts, forecast, prospecting, documents, and the meeting scheduler at your fingertips. Explore these areas to streamline your process and keep your sales day on track.